Welcome to Best 5 Products. The Best Rhino Toy is probably one of the most engaging and durable playthings available for children today, designed to spark imagination and encourage active play. This robust toy is crafted with high-quality, child-safe materials, ensuring it can withstand the rigors of enthusiastic play while providing hours of entertainment. Its realistic design and sturdy construction make it a standout choice for parents looking for a toy that is both fun and long-lasting, promoting developmental skills through imaginative scenarios and physical interaction. Number 5. Schleich Wildlife Indian Rhinoceros Toy. Every figurine is crafted with precise details, from feathers to fur. They are designed to spark curiosity and inspire imaginative play. This toy is carefully designed to inspire safe and creative pretend play. It works wonderfully as a single toy or as part of a larger collection. This piece is part of our wildlife collection. It's great for gifting and can stand alone or fit into a larger, modular play world. Adventure awaits. Explore diverse environments with our wide range of animal figurines. Discover grassland, woodland, and forest creatures. Our toys come in all shapes and sizes to bring every story to life. We create durable toys built to last and be treasured for generations. What we like. This one is incredibly realistic, with every detail meticulously crafted. If you are looking for a toy that sparks imagination and encourages pretend play with a focus on educational accuracy, this is a fantastic choice. Its durable construction means it can be treasured for generations. What people say. The Rhino toy is a great addition to my collection. It is very detailed and realistic. This Rhino toy is well made and durable, perfect for kids to play with. I love the size of this Rhino toy. It's big enough to be impressive but not too large to handle. Number 4. FUNSHOWCASE African Jungle Wild Animals Toy Rhinoceros. Bring the excitement of the African jungle into your home with these realistic wild animal figures. They are designed with incredible detail and bold colors, making them truly lifelike. Crafted from high-quality, durable ABS materials, these toys are both eco-friendly and BPA-free. You can be confident they are safe for your children to play with. These figures are more than just toys, they are educational tools. They're perfect for imaginative play, cake toppers, school projects, or even as charming additions to miniature gardens. Unlike hollow plastic toys, these are sturdy and built to last. Their accurate designs and lifelike appearance will captivate both children and collectors alike. Looking for an ideal gift? These animal models make fantastic stocking stuffers or party favors for any child's animal-themed birthday celebration. What we like. Made from high-quality, eco-friendly materials, this offers a safe and durable play experience. If you need a versatile toy that can be used as a cake topper, for school projects, or as part of a larger play set, this is ideal. Its lifelike design makes it a great addition to any collection. What people say. The Rhino toy is a great addition to our collection, with realistic details and a sturdy build. My son loves playing with the Rhino toy, especially its articulated legs that allow for dynamic posing. The paint job on the Rhino toy is impressive, featuring intricate patterns and vibrant colors that bring the creature to life. Number 3. Safari Limited White Rhino Toy Figurine. Discover the majestic white rhino, a stunning addition to our Wild Safari Wildlife collection. This series features detailed and educational animal models for endless fun. Measuring 5.75 inches long, it's just the right size for little hands to hold and play with. It's comparable to the size of a soda can on its side. This realistic toy is a fantastic educational tool. It helps children learn about the life and conservation of the white rhino, fostering environmental awareness. Expertly crafted and hand-painted, it showcases scientifically accurate details. This provides an immersive experience for both learning and imaginative play. Made with non-toxic, BPA-free materials, it's completely safe for children. This ensures it's not only safe but also built for long-lasting enjoyment. What we like. This large, hand-painted figurine is designed with a strong educational focus. If you want a toy that teaches children about wildlife conservation and provides a scientifically accurate representation of the animal, this is the perfect pick. Its size makes it easy for small hands to hold and play with. What people say. The Rhino toy is a great addition to our collection, with realistic details and a sturdy build. My son loves playing with the Rhino toy, especially its movable legs which allow for dynamic posing. The size of the Rhino toy is perfect for little hands to grip and play with, making it a favorite among children. Number 2. Playmobil Rhino with Baby Building Kit. Get ready for an adventure. This incredible set features a majestic adult rhino and its adorable baby, both eager to explore. Included in this set are one adult and one baby rhino, providing double the excitement for your little ones. Young animal enthusiasts will have an absolute blast with this engaging, hands-on animal set. It's perfect for interactive play. This toy encourages children to explore the wonders of the animal kingdom and learn new things while having a fantastic time. Your child can enjoy playing with this set independently, or they can combine it with other Playmobil sets for even more imaginative adventures. What we like. This set comes with both an adult and a baby rhino, offering a heartwarming play experience. If you are looking for a hands-on activity that encourages young animal lovers to explore and learn, this is a great option. It's also perfect for those who enjoy combining different sets for extended imaginative fun. What people say. The Rhino toy is a great addition to our collection. It's very detailed and realistic, which my son loves. This Rhino toy is incredibly durable. It has survived countless play sessions and still looks brand new. The size of the Rhino toy is perfect for little hands to hold and play with. It's not too big or too small. Number 1. War for Cybertron, Kingdom Voyager Rhinox action figure. Worlds collide as Maximals and Predacons join the Autobots and Decepticons in an epic battle that will alter their destiny forever. Unleash the primal power of the beasts with this collectible figure. It features a detailed beast mode with intricate molded rhino skin texture. This toy converts to a Beast Wars-inspired rhino mode in 35 steps. It also features an articulated lower jaw. It comes with twin Gatling blasters of doom accessories inspired by the Beast Wars cartoon. They can be stored on its back in robot mode. Includes a golden disc card that reveals a possible destiny of a key character. Collect others to reveal all alternate destiny variants. What we like. This action figure is inspired by the classic Beast Wars, offering an epic transformation. If you are a fan of Transformers and enjoy detailed robot-to-beast conversions with cool accessories, this is the one for you. Its intricate design and multiple accessories provide hours of engaging play for older kids. What people say. The Rhino toy is very detailed and looks realistic. It's a good size for small hands to hold and play with. The material is durable and seems like it will last a long time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.